What's up, streets? It's your girl Bonnie Banks. We're here at Dtlr's fashion show. We are standing with Atlanta's very own Domani. He just hit the stage. Seemed like the females was rocking with you. You had the vibes. I enjoyed it so much. Is this your first time hitting a fashion show and doing your song?
Yeah, my latest song. Actually, I did my first show. My first paid show was at a fashion show, so that's crazy. I didn't even think about that until you said it. Yeah.
That's dope, because I feel like I love seeing artists and models. It just like goes with the fashion.
Right.
So this is going to be a very important question. Can you mismatch name brands?
Of course, I feel like that's where the beauty come in, cause that's where your creative come to. You don't just supposed to just look at a mannequin and get the whole man. That you can do that too though, but you know what I'm saying. You put your own style together, mix matching brands for sure.
Oh, good. I love that. Last question. I think last time we spoke to you, you were doing a tour overseas or something like that. I can't quite remember, but I remember you were talking about it. So how did that go?
Depends on how long ago we talking. I just recently came from Europe with Corday.
That was one.
And then before that, I was with Nasty C in South Africa. That was amazing.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
You got some like international experience and.
For sure. They just respond to music a lot different.
That's interesting.
Yeah, they some real fans out there.
Oh, I love it. Well, I'm glad to see you doing dope things. We were great to see you on the fashion show. Again, drop your handle so we can find you.
Domani, just Domani on whatever. Domani. I appreciate you.
Thank you. Appreciate you guys. It's Dtlr's fashion show. That was Domani's Atlanta's very own.